Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to use OpenAI's ChatGPT to create YouTube videos. In this video, we will show you how to use this cutting-edge technology to make unique and interesting content for your channel. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced content creator, ChatGPT will help you take your videos to the next level. Let's take an example of a channel that makes from $15,000 to $251,000 monthly, and up to $3 million yearly. As we see, there are huge views numbers daily, and that's all without using your voice or neither showing your face. We can make the same video as this and we can get too many views just by using free tools and making money with a YouTube automation process. Step 1. Accessing Chat. First, you need to access ChatGPT. You can do this through OpenAI's API. Simply sign up for an API key, and you will have access to ChatGPT's powerful language generation capabilities. Step 2. Asking ChatGPT to write a video script about the top 10 most beautiful places in the world. As we see, our video script is being generated with detailed tips that make it easy for us to create a YouTube video with free tools and AI. You should wait for it to finish. For me, I am just showing you the process of how that works, so I will use only these 2 paragraphs to show you how to make the video, from the voiceover to the videos and pictures, and how to get it for free. Step 3. Making voiceover from the generated script. We just copy the text from ChatGPT and go to freeits.com to generate audio. That's so easy. Let's see how's that work. From the rolling hills of Tuscany, to the pristine beaches of the Maldives, our world is home to countless beautiful destinations. But, which ones truly take our breath away? Today, we'll take a journey through the top 10 most. As we see, our audio is generated and looks like a human voice. After we know how to generate audio from text, let's find free images or videos and download them. In the chat script, we are looking for visuals of the Swiss Alps and its scenic views. For the videos, we will go to pexels.com to download free videos with high quality. We have too many beautiful videos here, let us choose this one. After we got our audio and videos, now it's time to generate our video. Let's go to canva.com. Canva is a graphic design platform that is used to create social media graphics and presentations. The app includes ready-made templates for users to use, and the platform is free and offers paid subscriptions such as Canva Pro. Let's drag our video and audio into Canva. After we upload our media into Canva, now everything is easy, we just drag and drop media to make the video. Watch me for the process. The Swiss Alps are a prime destination for outdoor enthusiasts, offering some of the most picturesque hikes and skiing experiences in the world. But, even those who prefer to stay on solid ground can appreciate the stunning beauty of these majestic mountains. I just give you all the processes that you need to make your video. You need just to copy and paste that process to make your full video. When you finish editing the current video, just click on the download button to get it, and now you are ready to upload it to your channel. I hope you like our video. You will find all the links that you need in the description below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. We will share more easy tips using AI to make money online. Thank you for watching and see you soon.